Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Ring Video Doorbell easy install step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all the necessary tools and materials for the installation. Ensure you have your Ring Video Doorbell, a screwdriver, and any included mounting hardware. Find a suitable location for your doorbell, ideally near your front door. Check the Wi-Fi signal strength at that location to ensure a stable connection. If your doorbell requires a charge, connect it to the power source using the provided USB cable. Download the Ring app from the App Store or Google Play on your smartphone. Create or log into your Ring account within the app. Select Set up a device and choose Video Doorbell from the list. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your doorbell to your home Wi-Fi. Press the button on your Ring Video Doorbell to activate it, and look for the spinning white light. When prompted, scan the QR code displayed on your smartphone with your doorbell's camera. Once connected, the light on your doorbell will turn a solid blue. Next, choose where to mount the doorbell on your wall. Use the provided mounting bracket to mark screw holes at the desired height. Drill pilot holes at the marked spots to ensure a secure fit. Attach the mounting bracket to the wall using the included screws. If you are replacing an existing doorbell, disconnect the old wires. Connect the existing wires to the terminals on the back of your Ring doorbell. If using battery power, skip to the next step. Carefully press your Ring doorbell onto the mounted bracket until it clicks into place. If it's battery operated, insert the battery and ensure it is securely enclosed. Test the doorbell by pressing the button and checking the app on your device. Adjust any settings for notifications, motion detection, and cameras within the app. Finally, enjoy the peace of mind that comes with your new Ring Video Doorbell. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.